Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very gorgeous photo frame along with these lovely layered flowers which are made using paper quilling strips, and they are looking absolutely stunning with this white background. So I will show you how to make the frame with the stand, and it's very easy to make. You can just slide your photograph from top. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. First, I'm taking here mound board piece which measures 18 by 14 centimeters, and from all four sides I have created the margin of 2.5 centimeters. So now we have to cut this center rectangular shape using paper cutter. And I'm just taking it out, and the frame is ready. Now here I'm taking one pattern paper which is little larger than the base paper, and I'm going to wrap it around this. Since I'm making darker shade flowers, so I thought to take lighter shade background. And this is done. Now we just need to cut the center part in cross manner like this, and then we need to fold all these four flaps on outer side just to secure it using glue. And the frame is completely ready and decorated with pattern paper. Now on back side I am going to add these three mound board strips. I have added double-sided tacky tape on both the sides, so I'm just removing the liners and sticking it in the bottom first. Just leave 5 mm gap from all the sides before attaching your strips. Here I am making the slider mechanism for our photograph. Then here I am taking one more mound board piece which is covered using pattern paper from both the sides, and this is also measures 18 by 14 centimeters. So I am just going to add my mound board piece on this raised part. So I have just removed the liners of the double-sided tacky tape and then aligning both the mound board pieces together, burnishing it very well using bone folder, and this is done. So our frame is ready and we can put the photograph from top. Now I'm taking one more pattern paper strip which measures 27 by 8 centimeters, and from right side I have creased on 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 12 centimeters. And we just need to fold these creases like this. It should look like a W. I have added one more pattern paper strip on back side just to give it more strength. And then I am taking one mound board piece which measures 5 by 12 centimeters, and I am attaching this on top of the pattern paper. Here I am making the stand for our photo frame. Just cutting the side strips and securing it with the mount board. And this is done. Now I'm just folding this top part and cutting the excess pattern papers from both the sides. So it should look like this. Then folding it in zigzag manner, attaching the double-sided tacky tape with the last flap. Removing the liners and then sticking it with the photo frame from back side. And in the same way I have added double-sided tacky tape on the top flap so that we can stick both the parts together with the frame. And this is done. Now we can stand our photo frame like this, and whenever we want to gift it, just push it this, pack it, and it's ready to gift. Now I'm starting with making my quilling layered flower. For first petal I am taking 2.5 strip of peach color and I am making one tight leaf shaped dome. Then I am taking 1.5 strip of yellow color and again making tight leaf shape. And then for the third petal I am taking half strip of orange color and again making tight leaf shape. Then using my quilling mold I am just shaping all 3 leaves and then adding glue inside all the shapes to secure this. So in total I have prepared 3 orange color, 5 yellow color and 6 peach color leaves. Now I am taking one yellow color piece of paper and RTP silicone glue, just adding little glue on the page, spreading it very well evenly and making a small lump. Then I will start arranging my flower here. So first I am starting with the orange petals. Tuck the petal inside the other one and make a nice close shape. And then I will add yellow layer and then peach layer. So the beautiful flower is ready. Allow it to dry for 1 day. Now I'm taking one more piece of yellow paper and I will show you the biggest flower. So here these are yellow petals which are made using 3.5 strips. These light orange petals are made using 2.5 strips. Dark orange petals are made using 1.5 strips and maroon petals are made using half strips. And we need total 3 maroon petals, 5 dark orange petals, 6 light orange petals and 8 yellow petals. So again I have taken here silicone glue on the base and then I will start arranging my flower just like we did before. So according to the requirement you can increase the size of your flower just by adding more layers. And the flower is completely ready. Allow it to dry also for 1 day. So our flowers are completely dried and now it's time to cut the excess paper from the bottom. Like this. In the same way I have prepared one more small flower and I am cutting the excess paper from this big flower as well. And our flowers are ready. They are looking so pretty. Now starting with making the bud. So here I am taking half strip of sap green color 3 mm and making one cone shape. Then I am taking here one piece of floral wire, just twisting it from top using tweezers so that we can pass it through the cone and it will not come out. Now passing it through the cone, just pushing the cone little bit and making it small. Fill the cone using glue. And then I have already prepared 3 petals of light orange color using half strips for each petal. And these are same as before in tight leaf shape. So I am just attaching 3 petals like this. And then I am just sticking the bud on top of the stem. And the bud is ready. In the same way I have prepared one more bud and one big size bud. For this I have added 3 orange as same as before and 4 yellow petals which are made using 1.5 strips. So this is done. Now I will show you how to make leaves. For this I am taking 1 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one tight leaf shape. Then I am just taking one small piece of sap green color strip, folding in half, add little glue and just secure it. It will work like a stem. And then I will add 3 tight leaf shapes to construct one leaf. So in total we need 6 leaves. Now I will show you how to make scrolls. For this I am taking two half strips of sap green and dark greens color, folding this in half, cutting from the center, then gathering two dark green strips, and top of this I am adding two sap green strips. Fold this whole bunch into half and then start rolling it using pointed tweezer in one direction. Then just open it and you will get the scroll. Super easy to make. Just pulling the strips little bit to make a fluffy scroll. Then cutting the excess strips from the bottom, add little glue and just secure the bunch. So in the same way we need total 6 scrolls. Now taking back my photo frame, and I will start arranging all my flowers, leaves and scrolls. Here I am taking this beautiful butterfly cutout. So I am just adding it in another corner. And then I am just decorating all the edges of the frame from inside using half cut white color pearls. And the beautiful photo frame with the quilling flower decoration is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty and very vibrant? And it is having very nice finishing as well. So you can just put 13 by 12 centimeters photograph very easily inside this photo frame like this. And you can just decorate your desk or you can gift it to someone special. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.